Hey guys, today we're going to be setting up two GAN 356X. And oh yeah, we'll need some handkerchiefs. Okay, that one just got ruined. So here's another one. So we'll start off by cleaning all the pieces of the cube. And since I've been using this for a very long time, it's got a lot of lube and and a lot of dust. Actually, I lubed this a long time back, and there's something I need to come clean about. When I was using this cube at DCCO, Srijan took my cube and he started playing around with it, and he's like, "This cube is so satisfying. Have you lubed it?" And I was like, "No, I haven't touched it yet." Thing was, I was really skeptical about how I used to set up my cubes back then, so I thought he didn't like it at first. So actually, he said that he liked it later. So I was like, maybe he didn't like it. I shouldn't say yes. So funny thing, he was the one who said he liked my cube, and he's the reason why I'm making this video today. Because rather, I'm uploading this video today because I put an Instagram poll where the last three videos are literally at 79, 89, and 99 views, and I was like, if all the three of them get one more view each, I'll post my video tonight, and he did it. So, but out of time. So still, I'm just gonna do it today, and I'm happy I'm doing it. So now that your cubes are completely cleaned out, you want to go ahead and take out two pieces from them, one corner and an edge. And this is basically the first time I'm trying cubicle lubes, so I'm a little nervous. But let's see how this goes. So I'm gonna loop the track of one of the IPG V5 with Traxxas 10K because I want to use that for OH, and the one with numerical IPG I'm gonna use Traxxas 50K. Let's see how this goes. Put it back in as soon as possible because this is Traxxas 10K and I know it's going to fall easily. It's not very thick. You can see half of it has already fallen over there. Okay, so that now we've done that. So I want minimum difference in both the cubes. I want the basic setup to be the same. So what I'm going to go ahead and do next is add the other three loops that we have, but I have a different idea now. What I'm going to do, so now that we're done with that part of it, we've got our tracks looped up. I'm going to go ahead and loop up the cubes. So the basic is going to be the same. In one of them I'm going to use, in both of them I'm going to use DNM and Lubical, DNM and Lubical 1. But the only difference I'm going to create is that with the one with IPG I'm going to use Mystic, and the one with the numerical IPG I'm going to use Lubical Speedy. And these two loops I haven't tried yet, and I have a good feeling about it, though I'm still novice. So let's go ahead and add the loops. So we're done with DNM. Next we're gonna add Lubical 1 to both the cubes. Okay, so before I go ahead and add these two loops, let's just say what we have. This cube has Traxxas 10K, this cube has Traxxas 50K. We've added 3 drops of DNM and 2 drops of Lubrical 1 to both of them. Let's go ahead and spread the lube first before we add Mystic and Lubrical Speedy. Okay, this cube is a little loose right now, so we'll take care of that in a moment. But it does feel kind of cool. I'm going to use it for OH. Let's see how that goes. Okay, this will need a lot of breaking in already. Even though this has Traxxas 10K, it is quite tight. It is quite gummy. Let's go ahead and see how this one works. Okay, this is a little weird. Oh my god, Traxxas 50K helps better? How is that possible? Okay, both these cubes are really loose right now, and I think I can take care of that on this one and this one before we go ahead and put the other lubricants, the other lubes. Okay, T-pump on both, that was good. So now that I've gone ahead and tensioned the cubes correctly and seen how I feel with the basics, they're quite similar right now. It's just that this one's a little tight, this one's a little loose, and this one's a little tight. That's because I've kept this at 0.6 setting on the core, and that feels really good. So now, other than that, I have decided to switch things up a little. Instead of adding Mystic to this and Speedy to the numerical IPG, I'm going to switch it up and add Mystic to numerical IPG and Lubrical Speedy to IPG V5. Okay, so the Mystic was a little tough to add, but now let's go ahead and spread it out. Okay, wow. Mystic's brought a little control to the cube, but since I've added only 2 drops, it's not very evident. Yeah, it feels really good right now. This cube feels amazing. Oh my god, I never expected myself to come up with such a good setup, honestly speaking. I really thought this was going to go bad. Bad as in real bad, that I'll have to throw away these cubes or something, or maybe just give them away. Wink wink. Okay, so that one feels good, and this one I have high hopes for somehow. Okay, still got that weird feel. Maybe I overlooked the tracks a little. It's starting to become a little loose with the Speedy. Yeah, that feels great, honestly speaking. It's just a little tight, and I think it's like a cosmic cube somehow. Actually, not a cosmic cube. Cosmic cubes are much different. But it feels really good. I think I see myself breaking some world records with this. Just kidding. There's no chance I'm breaking any world record. At least on 3x3. Okay, this is gonna be a little tough. There's something I have to do with this cube because it just doesn't feel right. What do I do? Maybe tighten it a little. Let's see. Well, I knew the cube wasn't feeling perfect, and now that I have tightened it, it feels beautiful. It's exactly what I wanted from this cube, and it's really good. I mean, not epically awesome or something, or it doesn't really match cubicle standards, but it's really good, and I feel awesome with this cube. Like, I know I can do something good out of it. Okay, it's been 24 hours with these 2 cubes, and I'll be honest, I like the feel of the one that I came up with the ones with numerical IPG. It was really good, and somehow the ones with IPG V5, they don't really feel good because of the tensions. And right now I don't have any GES nuts, the ones that in the cube are all that I have. So once I get back to Bombay, I think I'll change them and see how it feels. But for now, the one with the numerical IPG is doing really good, and it's like the best setup I've ever done. So thing with the numerical IPG one is that it's turned out so beautiful. It's got a very crisp turning. It's just too good. I mean, I think you should try this one. I mean, I'm really in love with the feel that I've come up with, and you should try this setup. And there's nothing extra that I've done. Everything that I've done is there on the is there in the video. So I really recommend you try this, because this GAN feels really out of the world right now. It is so quiet, it is so super smooth, and my hands feel like, constantly turning it the whole time, and it's too good. I really feel I have met some good standards here, and I've set up a good benchmark for myself for future references. So hope you enjoy this video, and really please try this if you have the lubricants that I used.